just like the sound of it.
Losing my mind, sleeping all these days. Wide awake, I can't help it.
Look, good evening. Yeah. When I party in New York, take the late night subway. Going out Friday, then coming home Monday. From all directions, never find me on a one-way flavor. The rhyme just the icing on a cupcake, fuck face. My fans notice these other rappers is bogus. I'm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and the boys stay kicking incredibly dope shit. Make my mama proud, cause my clothes fit. Travel around the globe, bitch, on my Lewis Clark shit. Don't matter where I live, cause I can tell you where my heart is. I just stay on my side, fuck where everybody at. Tell the planet peace, cause I'm gone, I ain't coming back. Had the whole regular life, I can tell you that I'm done with that. Try and build a mill off a couple stacks on my own business. Investing all I got into these fucking raps. Willie Parker money handed off, then it's running back. Hey yo, you fuck with that? You gotta fuck with that. You in love with that? Look, Mac Miller, taking sips from the fountain of youth. If you ain't heard about the kid, then you out of the loop. As I'm sitting back staring at this world in my eyes, see out the window in my room that I'm hidden inside. I'm just a kid who stays speaking and starts talking his mind. Life a roller coaster, but I stay along for the ride. Put my heart up on the page and the song gonna cry. There's logic behind the way you stand caught in the lie, boy. Ain't it shocking? I'm a topic of discussion. Motherfuckers want my spot, so they probably wish I wasn't. They give a little love like everyone does. In reality, they stone off that competitive drug, and I don't blame them, cause those who above me, I'm gunning for. Try and make my way to the top, starting from the floor. And I don't even need to bring a single gun to war, cause I be on some shit that they ain't never done before. Taking over piece by piece, starting from the core. It's only been a year, I can stick around 100 more. Said I can stick around 100 more. I ain't going nowhere. Young and so much time to go.